Athens in just 2 days? Sounds impossible, right? With this ultimate itinerary, you will hit the must-see ancient sites, uncover hidden gems, and taste some of the best Greek food without feeling overwhelmed. Let's dive in. Your Athens adventure begins at its most famous landmark, the Acropolis. Get here early to avoid crowds and experience the magic of this ancient wonder in the soft morning light. Start at the Propylea, the grand entrance to the Acropolis. Then admire the elegant temple of Athena Nike, a tribute to Athens' victories. Next, stand before the majestic Parthenon, the heart of the Acropolis. Finally, visit the Erechtheion and its iconic caryatids, 6 sculpted female figures holding up the porch. Descending the south slope, you will reach the Odeon of the Rhodis Atticus, a beautifully preserved ancient theatre that still hosts performances today. A little further down, you will find the Theatre of Dionysus, one of the world's earliest theatres, where classical Greek plays were once performed. Pro tip: buy your ticket online to skip the long lines and wear comfortable shoes, as the marble steps can be slippery. After descending from the Acropolis, visit the Acropolis Museum, one of the world's finest museums dedicated to ancient Greek history. This modern glass-walled museum showcases incredible artifacts, including original Parthenon sculptures and everyday items from ancient Athenian life. The top floor offers breathtaking views of the Parthenon, perfectly aligning with the ruins on the hill. Pro tip: visit the cafe on the museum's terrace for a coffee or a light lunch with an habitable view of the Acropolis. A short walk from the Acropolis Museum takes you to Hadrian's Arch, a monumental gateway built in honor of the Roman Emperor Hadrian. Just behind it, you will find the Temple of Olympian Zeus, one of the largest temples of the ancient world. Though only a few columns remain, you can still feel the grandeur of what was once a magnificent structure. Photo tip: stand at the right angle and you will capture a perfect shot of Hadrian's Arch framing the Acropolis in the background. Before diving into the bustling streets of Plaka, let's take a hidden detour into Anafiotika, a hidden gem that feels like a Greek island village in the heart of Athens. With its whitewashed houses, winding alleys, and pops of vibrant bougainvillea, it's the perfect spot for a peaceful stroll away from the crowds. End your day in Plaka, Athens' oldest and most picturesque neighborhood. Wander through narrow streets filled with neoclassical houses, artisan shops, and lively tavernas. Settle in for a traditional Greek dinner at a cozy restaurant, where you can indulge in dishes like moussaka, souvlaki, or a variety of meze paired with a glass of ouzo. As the sun sets, you might even come across live Greek music, adding to the magical atmosphere. Begin your second day at the Panathinaike Stadium, the only stadium in the world built entirely of marble. This historic site hosted the first modern Olympic Games in 1896 and continues to hold events today, including the finish line of the Athens Marathon. Before you leave, make sure to visit the on-site museum, which houses memorabilia from past Olympic Games, historic artifacts, and exhibits showcasing the evolution of athletic competition in Greece. Next, make your way to Syntagma Square to witness the changing of the guard in front of the Hellenic Parliament. The Evzones, the elite ceremonial guards, perform this iconic ritual with precision and discipline. Dressed in their traditional uniform, which includes a fustanella, a pleated skirt, tsarouchia, leather shoes with pompons, and a fitted jacket, they move in slow, deliberate steps that have deep historical and symbolic meaning. The ceremony is conducted every hour on the hour, but the most elaborate version, Visit on a Sunday at 11 a.m. when a full presidential guard assembles, often accompanied by a military band. Ever wanted to feel the true pulse of Athens? Head to Monastiraki, where vibrant energy, street performances, and hidden gems create an unforgettable experience. Monastiraki Square is a lively hub brimming with street musicians, local vendors, and a bustling flea market. It's a perfect spot to buy your souvenirs, handmade jewelry, Greek sandals, vintage books, and aromatic local spices. As you wander through the maze of stalls, soak in the dynamic atmosphere that makes this district so special. For lunch, dive into the culinary heart of Athens at Varvakios Market, the city's bustling central food market. This vibrant market is a paradise for food lovers, where stalls overflow with fresh seafood, meats, cheeses, and aromatic herbs and spices. One of the best spots to experience traditional Greek cuisine here is Epirus Tavern, a no-frills eatery tucked inside the market, famous for its hearty soups and authentic homemade dishes. Whether you are grabbing a quick souvlaki or sitting down for a traditional meal, Varvakios Market offers an unforgettable taste of Greek gastronomy. With our taste buds satisfied, it's time to feed our minds. Let's step into the ancient Agora, where Socrates and Plato once debated the meaning of life. The highlight of the Agora is the remarkably well-preserved Temple of Hephaestus, which stands as a testament to the grandeur of classical Greece. While exploring, be sure to visit the Stoa of Attalos, a beautifully reconstructed ancient building that now houses the Museum of the Ancient Agora. Inside, you will find fascinating artifacts from daily life in ancient Athens, including pottery, coins, and statues, offering a deeper glimpse into the city's past. After a day of exploration, head to Psyri, one of Athens' most vibrant neighborhoods, known for its lively nightlife and traditional tavernas. Here you can enjoy an authentic Greek dinner at a local favorite like Tavern Klimatarya or Ineas, where you will find delicious dishes such as lamb kleftiko, grilled seafood, and stuffed vine leaves. End your 2-day Athens adventure with a drink at one of the city's rooftop bars, offering stunning views of the Acropolis at night. For an upbeat atmosphere and expertly crafted cocktails, A4 Athens in Monastiraki is a great choice. If you prefer a more relaxed yet stylish setting, 360 Cocktail Bar provides a cozy ambience with breathtaking sunset views. For a vibrant and spacious terrace, Anglais Rooftop Bar is perfect, offering Mediterranean-inspired bites along with refreshing drinks. Whichever you choose, watching the Acropolis light up as you sip a cocktail is the perfect way to conclude your Athens adventure. I hope this itinerary helps you make the most of your 2 days in this incredible city. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Athens travel guides. Thanks for watching.